you are doing well. In this video, I will tell you how to QA on Loft 2.0. Please remember this is the transcription platform Loft 2.0. So in this video, I will tell you how to QA on this platform. First of all, this is the full link of Loft 2.0. This is the email password and platform name is Loft 2.0. Topic is the QA on Loft 2.0. So first of all, the procedure of all the languages like Hungarian, Portuguese, German, Malay, and Telugu, Tamil, Urdu, English, every language have the same procedure of QA. So first of all, click the poll link, click on the three dots, new incognito, click on the new incognito window and paste here the poll link. Now we will copy the email address and paste here. Click on the next button, copy the password and write here. Click on the next button. Now when you open the ID, it takes some time, like some minutes or some seconds. Now this is the home page. This is the home page of the Loft 2.0. You can see 885 tasks are present in this. This is the audio. The duration of the audio is 8 minutes and 54 seconds. I will show. This is the sheet. Means account name, email ID, duration of the task, question ID, and status. Status means submitted or not. So this is the front page. Front page task means pin task. Two main things. There are two tasks present in the Loft ID. First is the home page or front task. This is the pin task. Please remember this is the pin task. Home page or front page task is the pin task. And P means parked task. P means parked task. I will show. This is the P. This is the parking lot. You can see you cannot open a park question while the current question is active on your workbench. Means the home page. This task is the pin task and this is the parking task. How we will open the parking task? I will show you how to open the task. Click on the three buttons and click on settings and then we will proceed. So please remember, don't use this button. Skip. Don't use. Please don't use this button. This is the duration. This is the duration and this is the video link. Click on this video link. You can see this is the video.
Oi, gente, tudo bem? No vídeo de hoje eu vou mostrar para vocês perfumes.
Then this is the guidelines. Click on this button and you can see all the guidelines present in this. Help and guiding principles, PI and SPI definitions, a long form generic rules, transcription quality, punctuation, format, accurate spelling, and difficult utterances. All means you can say this is the guidelines of the Loft 2.0. So if you need, you can learn them or read the transcription quality guidelines of the transcription. So you will do QA of the project. So the main things are the duration. This is the duration and the main thing is the question ID. This is the question ID. Click on this You can see worker pool is the speech lambda worker, question type, plugin, and question ID. You can see, just click on this. If we will tell you work on the pin task, this is the pin task. You just click on this, copy the link, and paste the here. Click the button control F. Now paste here. You can see this is the question ID. So work only she present IDs. Please remember, only work on the same question IDs. You will match the question ID present in the ID or present in the sheet. Just work on the same question ID. This is about the pin task. Then we will talk about the how to unpark the question, because when we click on this, this is the question. You cannot open a park question while the current question is active on your workbench. Means this is the home page. When you unpark your, click on the three dots, click on settings, click on this arrow and select worker pool. Click on the button OK, and then you can click on the save button. Okay, now you can easily open your parking lot question. Now you can don't see the description here. Click on this and open parked question. So this is the procedure how to open the parking lot question or parking task. Same things, duration, guidelines, video link. Sometimes video link is not present. Question ID, just copy the and find there a question ID on the sheet and work on this task. If I will tell you kindly work on the pin task, then you can work on the pin task only, not on part. If I will tell you work on the part question, then you can click on this button and click setting and work on the part question, means click on the P. So I will tell you how to QA. This is the main things present in the ID. Means first first page or home page is the pin task. Second P means second task. Second task is the parked task. Okay, P means parked task. Okay, please remember how to unparked unparked their task. Click on right upper corner three dots. Click on setting, change worker pool and save the changes. Now click on the parking lot task. You can easily open your task. Okay, now this is the procedure how to unpark their parking lot task. Now if we tell you do work on tell you do do work on pin task, sorry, pin task, you just work on the front front task or home page task. Okay, match the both question IDs present in the sorry present in the ID or and in the sheet. So if we tell you do work on part task, you just change the worker pool and working the same task. Okay, now how to QA. All segmentation and transcription done on the audio. You just listen the audio and check the transcription. If any mistake, any error, any spelling mistake present in the transcription, you just correct them. How to correct? Just a wrong word or wrong spelling, click and remove them and write the new ones like water or anything. Okay, there are four main tags for transcription or QA members. First is the foreign speech. If your target language is German, Hungarian, or Malay, or any other, but the audio in English, audio in if your target language is Malay, but the audio or the sentence is in English, Urdu, or any other language, you can use foreign speech. If your sentence or audio is not present in your target language, then you can use foreign speech. Second is the singing, means if any speaker present in the audio speaker singing, then you can use singing. Unintelligible, if you listen any word which is not understandable, you cannot understand the word or sentence, then you can use unintelligible. PII means personal identification. Personal identification means home address, personal identification, home address, email address, office address, name, and anything. PII per ID means email ID, ID card number, or anything. Offensive speech, you can use offensive speech if the speaker uses any abuse or any wrong wording, then you can use offensive speech. There are the main tags for the transcriber or QA persons. You just listen the audio transcription present in the box. Just listen the audio and check the transcription according to the audio. If the transcription matches with the audio, then this fine. If any mistake, any spelling mistake present in the transcription, you just need to correct them. So if you have any question or any doubt, please confirm me or message me or comment me. I will tell you how to changes or any correction in them. So please, main things remember, don't use this skip button because it's very severe problem for us. So this is the duration and question ID. Please work only those which is those task which is the same question ID. You just click on this button and go to your sheet, click on the control F button and paste here control with control V, and then find your question ID and just work on the same question ID. So you can recognize this, like if I will tell you, wait a minute please. Last words are the 6067. Now you can 6067 are the last. This procedure also for the recognition of question ID. So hope you will understand. If you have any question or any query, you can tell me. Okay, thank you so much.